Few days ago was still winter and now the weather is changing. We even had to return faster from our trip because we thought it's gonna get cold again. Wasn't the case, but still we need to warm up the house to be able to work inside. I always like to take advantage of our wood stove by cooking our lunch on top of it. I wish I had a wood stove with the oven. I'm making a simple recipe here where I stuffed the mini peppers with grounded beef and pork, simmered in tomato sauce with some fresh herbs like parsley and dill. Except for little parts, my husband built up the house from the ground himself. Now we are at the slowest moving phase of our house is the interior. The rough-in electrical work started last year in November, but first of all, my husband got a back injury and he could not go up and down on stairs anymore. And second of all, it was so cold that when we tried to heat up the uninsulated house, the vapors would transform in ice on the walls, and then that make us stop heating the house inside. Again, we are working with the international building codes because we are going to have a roughing inspection for our electrical work and we don't want to have something done wrongfully. For the ceiling lights, we have divided each floor of the house into zones. That's gonna help us in case one of the zones is down. We're going to have light in the other zone. In our region, if you are on the grid, you must have an approved system. That's mean you're gonna get an inspection. Another thing you need to will be if you are under 20-acre lot to have the septic inspected by professionals. If it's not too complicated, you can do your own septic system. And the well must be done by a professional licensed driller. The spring is in the air and I feel like I wanted to see more of our surroundings. We didn't have to travel far. We just crossed a mountain and the lake to get to the city of eagles called Libby. There are under 3,000 people living in this city. It is mid-March and they are holding an Irish fair. We have arrived to Irish fair. It's nice. I didn't see any leprechauns and I didn't see nobody drinking beer. Our grandparents used to have those chairs and a little table. Libby has a hard past and someone is trying to revive it with these paintings on random walls. I wanted to add my creative touch to these paintings. I think they're fabulous. It's a way of making people happy. They make me happy and my husband too. This is something I wanted to see for some time, and it's here right behind me. This is someone who's making Amish style log homes, and I've seen this in YouTube. Because I was nearby, I got to check it out. They also have a grocery store, and I was happy to find the cheapest apples ever. Inside, they had a whole pail of apples for 40 cents a pound. Of course, I had to take advantage of the apples. cheese, chestnuts. I found chestnuts. Heavy whipping cream.
Good job.
I don't even know how much I paid.
That's okay. No problem.
We are always keeping an eye out for the details. Here is where the log homes are being manufactured before they are ready to ship to the owners.
One is the roof, one is the...
An interesting thing to know is that in the beginning of the summer, similar homes are put up for sale at the local Amish auction. If you think you liked our video, please subscribe to our channel. That will help us grow. We thank you in advance.